Ready once again. And the race is on. Smart and Noble on the outside. Sharp Cookie. Don Ronaldo Aras by Darrell is all out alongside his superior arc. I am strong. It's now Sharp Cookie by a length and a half, followed by Smart and Noble. Racing on the outside, superior arc by Darrell Aras. Moving up down on the inside is I am strong. Don Ronaldo and all out. As they raise the last 600, Sharp Cookie, Smart and Noble, superior arc on the outside to grab the lead. It's now superior arc moving up down on the inside is Aras, and on the outside Smart and Noble, Sharp Cookie. They raise the last 450. Superior arc by a length and a half. Aras opted to run from the outside, moving up by the release. I am strong, and down the stretch they come. Superior arc. Aras is on the outside. Superior arc. Aras on the outside to grab the lead. It's now Aras. Superior arc. I am strong, and finally, race number 1 belongs to Aras. Number 3, second, Superior Arc. 5, I am strong. Don Ronaldo, Sharp Cookie.
Okay, 3, 4,